Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Good morning.
Morning. Good morning.
Where's Aldez?
This online class.
Yes.
Yeah, there's an offline class now.
No.
Only yesterday, online class.
I didn't
Yeah.
see Aldous yesterday or
Now it's gone.
I'm waiting for Aldez.
okay. Aldous was never in the Zoom yet for the exam for this.
Aldez is asking if we could play. And then I told him that we're gonna play after the exam. Okay, so hello everyone. I would like to inform you all that in your exam in science,
And Filipino Odyssey.
there are like questions in the map versus globe, right? Like
Yeah.
questions that can be answered both map and globe. And teacher will there are some answers that can be answerable by both. Anyways, I'm gonna recheck that one later. So as what you can see here in your last exam, yes, Sean. Hello?
At my science, number 4, at my answer there is wrong because it says there, see the whole world in one. I have a wrong at science at number 4, and it says there, you can see the whole world at one glance.
See the whole world in one glance. It can be map.
I also got
it can be
wrong in
globe,
number 4.
right?
Yeah,
But I answered map. Then after that, it was wrong.
Yeah,
The
because
answer was yeah, same.
yes, actually in the
let's
in the in the question in the questions in the reference, the correct answer is globe. Because in just one glance you can see the whole it's like the replica of the earth, right? You can see the whole world in it. But in map we can also see the whole countries.
But you need to but you need to turn around, man.
Yes, you need to turn around, but it's just like it's still the same. It can be answerable by globe in map, and that's what I've said earlier, that there are questions actually that is answerable by both. Right? So moving on, teacher will just recheck that one, and I'm actually starting to check all of your answers from day 1 in the mastery test. Okay, so this time we're going to answer the last subject, and this is the Filipino Odyssey. So as what you can see in here, the first part of the test from numbers 1 to 5, it's about sequencing the pictures. So as what you can see here, there are like different types of pictures, right? All you have to do is sequence the beginning of the place. Example, so from you have to arrange the time or the picture from the old place to the new place, or the old place to the modern place. Okay, so as what you can see here, before there are lots of water in the area, and now example this one here, you just have to type in ranking the numbers or ranking the pictures from 1 to 3. So 1 is the oldest and 3 is the newest. So look at the picture here. Let me just get it closer here. So which picture do you think is the oldest and which picture do you think is the modern one? Take a look at here. Before the houses are way too far, there's still there's still like water in it, and now it's becoming modern and modern. So start from one, and then the second picture shows the modern house or modern buildings. So you number 3, and the last one shows the middle sequence of the picture here. So you just have to type it in, 1 as the oldest and 3 as the modern one. The next picture, next page here. So which one shows the modern and the oldest one? So you just have to arrange it. Example, this one here. Which do you think is the oldest picture? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
Hmm?
3.
3?
It's 3 to 1.
Mm-hmm. 3, 2,
1
1.
and then
Okay, so the oldest one is the oldest one. This is actually a bit modern already. So you have this one is 3, and then this one is 3, 1, and then 2.
2.
That's how you're gonna answer the following. How about here? The cars, in terms of the cars. So which one do you think is the oldest and the newest?
2 is the oldest. 2 is the oldest. And the newest
Mm-hmm.
is
So how will you arrange this one?
and the middle is the jeepney. Or the
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. It's
Okay,
2,
it's
3, 1.
2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 1
2,
is the
1, 3.
2,
2,
1.
1, 3.
Okay, next, this one. How about here?
Which one is the mod? This is the modern.
The oldest one
oldest.
before the oldest one, they use bamboo before for building bridge.
Oh, this is bamboo.
Okay.
Hmm?
Oh, it's 2, 1, 3.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Next, this one. Okay. So that's from 1 to 5. And for number 6, all you have to do is enumerate the type of civic celebrations that we held every year. What are those type of civic celebrations? We have
Dr. Jos Rizal.
Huh? What are those civic celebrations?
Rizal Day.
Rizal Day. One of the
Rizal Day,
examples.
Bonifacio Day.
Okay.
Bonifacio Day.
Yes.
Independence Day.
Okay, enough. And then next, you have what civic celebration have we studied? So what are those? You just have to give one example of it. Okay, one example of civic celebration. And then for number 8, why is it important to celebrate these? Why do you think it's important? You give the reason why it's important to celebrate civic celebrations. And number 9, question is, how do members of the family or community take part in this celebration? So how do we celebrate the this type of civic celebration or the holiday? How do we celebrate it? Do we like go out or what? Example, Rizal Day. How do we celebrate it? Okay, just have to type in your answer. And then for number 10, how is community valued during civic celebrations? How do we value the civic celebration? Example, some in Cebu City during Rizal Day, they celebrate Rizal Day through a presentation, such as there are people dancing in front of the city hall. There are like games. There are like speeches from the mayor and the other councils. That's how we celebrate it. Then number 11, last number, what changes do you want to do after you learned about the people who became the reason for such celebration? Okay, so what are the changes that you want to do after knowing the reason why we celebrate the civic celebration? Like example on what happened to Jose Rizal, right? Jose Rizal got
Yes.
executed for being for showing the abuse of the Spaniards to the Philippines. Okay. All right. So, do you have any questions about these? Anyone? Do you have questions? No.
No.
Johan, do you have questions, Johan?
No, teacher.
No. All right.
Teacher.
Okay, so I guess that's it. And let's go answer now. Good luck and wish you all the best in answering. Okay, goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Teacher Diana.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, Johan.
Goodbye. Teacher Diana.
Goodbye, Johan.
Goodbye. See you later.
See you next week.
I'm gonna play it.
Huh?
Bye bye.
Bye.